Hello, this is Nancy and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be unboxing a package that I received from Globeland. They contacted me and wanted me to try out their dies for my Sizzix Big Shot. So I chose two different, I guess, gift card dies, which is great for this time of year when you're trying to get presents for your Christmas and the holidays. This first one is more like a sort of a folding wallet, and they call it a coin purse card holder, and they have the instructions inside how to use it. And you're gonna be, cutting the big sheet and then two of the smaller sheets, and then you either glue it together if you're using paper. I've done it. I'm doing it both ways, gluing with the paper, and also I'm doing some faux leather. So I'll show you that in a second. The second one I got is more like a keychain card holder, and it has a little heart cut out in the center. Let's see, I'll show you in a second. There we go. And it has stitching around the edges, so it'll be easy to follow that when you're sewing it. But again, you don't have to use it to sew. You can just glue the edges, and you can still hold the card in it. So in a second here, I'm actually gonna start with this keychain one. So here I'm using my Sizzix Big Shot. I'll leave the link down below where I got this one. I believe I got mine from scrapbook.com, along with that magic mat below it. And I'm using here some faux leather I got from Amazon. And I passed it two or three times. You don't have to. I've had dies in the past where you have to pass it several times, but I did it 4 times here. But I think a couple times is just right with these dies. They cut pretty good, especially on the faux leather. So once you get that cut out, just it pops right off. So you put the wrong sides together and clip it, and then we're gonna go on to my sewing machine. And I didn't bother to change the thread on here because I didn't have my white threads handy. So you'll see that the thread on top is dark and the one at the bottom is light, so don't mind that. But you're going to just sew around the edge, and I'll come back when that's done. If you're liking this content, please give it a thumbs up. Share with your friends. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. I'm going to be doing all kinds of different crafts on this channel, from Dollar Tree to sewing to scrapbooking to paper crafting to wood. You name it, I'm going to try to make it. So come back and watch for some more. I'm finished sewing. I'm gonna, sorry for the shaky camera, just cut off the ends here of all the loose threads, and I'm going to I have some hardware that I'm going to add to this. I have the little key ring and a mini tassel, and also a little lobster claws. If you're gonna put these on your keys, I would suggest putting a jump ring, not a jump ring, a grommet on the hole, because it's really thin there. But if it's for something quick, like a gift card to a family member, it's fine the way it is. Also, if you do it with the paper, you can actually add the gift card and attach this to a gift itself, a larger gift. So I did it also out of paper, and instead of doing it as a gift card holder, okay, I'm showing you that you can glue it just like the keychain one out of paper if you don't want to do the faux leather. But I'm going to make it into a pocket for one of my junk journals. So here's my junk journal. I'm going through the pages. I'm inking the edges so you can actually see it. You could also, before you glue it down, you can stitch around the edges as well to make it look like it's sewn, so, like some junk journals people do. I've never done it, so maybe I should try it one day. But you're just gonna glue a couple sides down, and then you got a little pocket. Once I was inking the edges, I should have done the inside of the heart, but I just did the whole heart here. It doesn't really matter, because once you put something in the pocket, you won't see the brown part in the back. But it's a lot of versatile with this little die cut. And I'll show you what I'm doing with the other die in another video. Here I'm showing you can do another pocket with this one, a larger pocket. You can do what you want with it. Or, like I said, a keychain. So until next time, be brave, be strong, and create with some dies.